Hello, everyone. Today, I will show you how to use LaiCai Flow to turn an old Android phone into a powerful AI monitor. You do not need a USB cable or a Wi-Fi connection to a computer. The automation runs independently on the phone. The AMI detection itself can also run offline. This means you can place the phone at home, in a dorm, in a factory, or anywhere else you need monitoring. Depending on the AI model, it can recognize up to 80 object classes, including people, cats, dogs, and cars. In this tutorial, we will use person detection. First, let us see the result. Then, we will break down each step. Open the LaiCai app for Android. Then, run the Smart Monitor Flow. The phone opens the camera automatically. Now, place an image containing a person in front of the camera. When the model detects a person, the phone captures the current screen. Next, it opens Telegram. It selects the first conversation. Then, it selects the first photo and sends it. After sending the photo, it closes Telegram and opens the camera again. The phone returns to real-time monitoring and detection. The entire process keeps running in a loop. Monitor the scene, detect a person, capture the screen, and send a message. The phone is not connected by USB, and it does not use Wi-Fi to connect to the computer. Telegram is only one example. You can also send email, make a call, play audio, call an API, or ask a large language model to analyze the image. Next, let us break down the flow logic behind this AI monitor. If you are new to LaiCai Flow, start with the basic guide. You can find the basic guide at the link shown on screen or in the video description. This is the complete AI monitor flow. It uses only 7 nodes. The first node is App Open. It opens the camera. Here, the package ID is camera. The second node is Flow Until, which keeps calling a flow until it succeeds. Every 500 milliseconds, it calls a child flow named Person Detect. Success continues to the next node. Failure triggers another attempt. Now, open the Person Detect child flow. Its structure is very simple. The first node is Tap. It taps the center of the screen to prevent the camera from closing after a long idle period. The second node is Vision Detect. It calls an AI model and is the core of this flow. In the model field, select the YOLO V8 NCOCO model. Set the class to person, the score threshold to 0.7, and the detection area to the full screen. In other words, the model searches the screen for a person. A score of 0.7 or higher means success. Otherwise, detection fails. I will show you how to import the model shortly. Next are two flow return nodes. The green connection returns success when a person is found. The red connection returns failure when no person is found. Now, return to the main flow. When flow until detects a person. It continues to the next node. Take a screenshot. This node captures the phone screen and saves the image to the gallery. The Add Node window provides a detailed description. Next, wait for 2 seconds. An older phone may need a little more time for reliable automation. Then, open Telegram and wait for another 2 seconds. The next step is Run Macro, another key automation node. It runs a pre-recorded macro named Send to Telegram. If you are not familiar with LaiCai macros, watch the short tutorial at the link shown on screen. The remaining steps are simple. Close Telegram, then run the Speak node. The system uses text-to-speech to say, "I got you." Finally, wait briefly and return to open camera. This creates a complete monitoring loop. Now, let us import the AI model. Open the LaiCai Flow configuration window. Then select Vision Assets and Model Library. Here, you can see the Import Models button. The model used earlier is YOLO V8 NCOCO. This page shows its inputs, outputs, classes, and other parameters. The Test tool below lets you choose a class and score threshold. For model requirements and the YOLO V8 and Coco download, see the LaiCai Flow guide. The model guide is available at the link shown on screen or in the video description. Finally, let us install the configure profile on an Android phone so it can run independently. Open Tools. Then choose LaiCai Flow inside. Select the target phone. Then use the button in the lower right corner to install the agent. After installation, grant the required permissions. The exact permissions depend on the features used by the flow. This example requires accessibility and Shizuku. Next, import the flow. Open Profile Deployment, select the device, and click Install. The flow then appears in the flows list, ready to run. LaiCai Flow can do much more than AI monitoring. Explore its nodes, use your imagination, and give an old phone a new purpose.